Okay, pause and try. All right, whales have vestigial femurs and pelvic bones. Yes, whales have hips and bones. Something like that is what it's saying. All right, vestigial is a structure that has lost its function. So it's an evidence for evolution. Think about it. Why would whales have hip bones and leg bones? Okay. What explains these structures? All right, let's check. Let's take it out. Check it out. A. Whales evolved over time from ancestors that lived on land. Yes. So scientists believe whales had a common ancestor, um, kind of like hippos, you could say. And as they spent more time in the water, those legs became less favored. They didn't really need them, so. But it's still the reminiscences are still there, left behind. All right, let's take a look at the other ones. Whales evolved over time from fish species that lived on land. Fish did not live on land, so that's not true. Hind legs are adaptations that are selected. Okay, think about that. Natural selection favors favorable traits, beneficial traits. Would having legs, all right, you're living in the ocean, would having legs be a favorable trait? No. So they wouldn't evolve into legs because you live in the ocean. They would be useless. So natural selection would select or favor legs for whales that live in the ocean. All right, part D. Hind legs are an adaptation in whales that walk. All right, whales do not walk on the ocean floor. I'm sorry, that's not true. Okay. The wording is a little bit not so straightforward, but if you really just read through these and at least two of these you could just cross out. All right, like B and D. Let's see how many people picked B and D. All right. A lot of people pick B. Okay. Anyway, you want to pause your video if you want to read the annotation.